Right, 10 weird birds, an owl. Who? Oh. Oh. Wait. What's a ruddy duck? The loon's noise gets me every time. I can't lie. Is that real? A coel? Oh. Right, the cassowary has been watching too many naughty videos, because why does it always look like it's doing the cluck cluck? Tell me that's not a cat. What is that one doing? Oh, right. The cuckoo. Is he laughing at me? Piss off then! What's so funny? And it's twerking. Stop it. Oh, it's going for a long walk. I thought it was weeing. It's the bloody river. I'm sorry. My head's gone. Are you still go? That's a dinosaur. That ain't no bird. Oh.